Good morning, ladies. So it's about 6 o'clock in the morning, and I thought I'd come and show you Jet in bed. Am I in your way, darling? I'm sorry. Good morning, lovelies. How are you all doing? Hope you all had a lovely weekend. I really did. I had a lot of downtime this weekend, which was really nice. I did a lot of relaxing, and I kind of think that I needed that. So that's good. Monday morning, bright and early, 8:45 in the morning. Johnny has gone to work, so now I've got the place to myself. I'm making waffles in my waffle station. Those are those low-carb keto cheese, egg, garlic powder waffles. So that's yummy. And then I was planning to go into town this morning to get some bits to make a salad. But first I thought, just have a look in the fridge and see what there is. Do not judge. So can we just all accept that there's an elephant in the room? For those who don't know, today is actually the 4th of May. So this thing is horribly out of date. However, as you can see, that thing is still rock hard. I will take the outer leaves off, and I do that anyway, to be honest, when I'm buying a lettuce or something. But these things, they just last so well. And there is the proof. So I'm going to use this up in a salad. I've got a cucumber that's in perfect condition, but needs using up. I've got like the saddest, crispiest spring onions. Oh, look, some really out-of-date celery, which is also going to be fine. There's a bit of mud on it. So what? That bag isn't even sealed. So I'm going to make a salad with that lot. I've also got some... from one of my farm freezers, I've taken out a bag of duck liver that I'm going to defrost. So that's going to be for my lunch. And I've also got the tail end of that little piece of chorizo. So I'm going to do a duck liver and chorizo salad for lunch. And I'm also going to probably fry the green beans up, like chop them up, fry them up with the meat and put them into the salad too, because yummy. So yes. Did I need to go shopping for salad things? No. Do I need to use up the things that are looking sad in my fridge? Hell yes. I just wanted to show you, I've taken 3 of the outer leaves off, and like that's it inside. It's absolutely perfect condition. So I've got this tube of sun-dried tomato puree in the fridge. If you haven't tried the sun-dried tomato one, do try and hunt it down next time you do get to a supermarket. This stuff is so good. Really good. Anyway, I just thought I'd be a little bit random, and I'd chuck some into my waffle mix along with my garlic, my egg and my grated cheese. I'm going to give that a try. What do you reckon? Do you reckon that's going to be good? That might be too much. There's only one way to find out. Thinking these ones might need a little bit of oregano, actually. Oh, yeah, let's try that. I bet that'd be good. I reckon this is going to taste like pizza. Cool. Right, let's try that. 15 minutes. Oh, look, that's those tomato and oregano ones. My kitchen is smelling like Italy right now. I kid you not. Oh, my Lord. It smells so good. Oh, yum. That definitely gets my seal of approval, people. That is so tasty. Like, really delicious. I'm definitely making that again. So here's my bookshelf. My books are on the right, Johnny's are on the left. So it's the right-hand side that I sorted out and organised this weekend. And then down the bottom, I've also got my shoe storage. So these are the books that stayed. I got rid of 39 cookbooks. That's my coin jar there, obviously. These are my old-fashioned books, and they were up the top, and I moved them down to eye level because they're the ones I probably enjoy looking at most. Oh, and this is This is Sassy's toy jar. So in the bottom of the jar is a packet of cat mint, and I just dump it into the bottom and then I stick all her toys in there and I kind of whiz them around. And yeah, they get a bit covered in catnip, but I just brush it off. She loves it. It makes her go completely doolally. So let me know what your favourite cookbooks are, like if there's one that you always go to. I always see, if I see One Pot cookbooks, I pick them up. And the other thing is camping cookbooks. I always pick these up if I see them. I do have quite a few. There's some more at the top there. Oops. I don't copy other people's recipes. That's not what the game's about. But I definitely get inspired by them. And I think that's why I keep the cookbooks at all, because obviously with the internet now, you don't really need a bookshelf with cookbooks on, do you? You can just Google and Pinterest everything. But I enjoy cookbooks. I enjoy sitting down with a coffee and just flipping through them. I get a lot of pleasure from them, especially from this little shelf. This is the fun shelf. Let's show you what's going on behind the catnip jar. Love it. There's a whole lot of food history right there. I was looking for Jet. She's down there, bless her. Let's give you guys some Jet action. Hello ladies, may I come in? You feeling all submissive, gals? Who'd like some sweeties? Whoopsie, tripping over chickens. Good morning, Jet. How are you, pretty girl? Alright, let's just drive him a little bit mad while I put the tripod down. Come on, Jet, you can work it out. Oh, clever girl. Vicious chicken. I think that's enough, Jet. There you are. Do you want to say hello to your fans? Bless her. She's a pretty girl. Aren't you? Damn, these chickens are spoilt. Would you mind? People want Jet, not you. There you go, Jet. You've got the limelight again now, girl. She has her minions preening her. Okay, there's yesterday's and today's eggs so far, and there's the 3 sacrificial eggs that I've left in there. Obviously that brown hen hasn't gone broody after all, unfortunately. I'm still going to leave those in there though, because like I say, the pheasant has gone broody in the past, so I'll leave them there for a few more days, and if she doesn't decide to sit on them, then I shall remove them and get rid of those pheasant eggs too. That one's mine. Oh, hi. Nice clean house for you, milady. So all my low carb keto waffles going in the freezer. I've cut them in half because I figure that's kind of actually a more usable size. We're trying to get rid of some of our overflow to our neighbours and also take a neighbour's plate back because she really kindly baked me some dairy-free cupcakes. Oh, they were so good. Poor Johnny didn't even get a look in. They were really nice. They were made with coconut oil and coconut milk, and they were beautiful. Lemon and coconut muffins or cupcakes. They were so lovely. So I need to take that back and deliver these. Right, I've just stopped in for a quick slurp of water and to catch up with the internet. Now it looks like it's going to rain actually, it's gone really overcast. But there's forecast is clear for today and it's horrible for tomorrow. So I'm going to go out and do some weeding for Mum in one of the communal areas. Go and pull up some weeds and stay on top of that because obviously now with all this rain and the weather getting warmer, the weeds are starting to grow as well as the plants. Well, that's not too shoddy for an hour's weeding. So I'm going to go and get rid of that, and then I think it's lunchtime. Okay, medium high hot pan, a little bit of chorizo going in, and I'm just going to fry that off until that oil comes out. And I've just got a handful of that salad I made this morning. The beans and the chorizo. And there's nothing to say you can't have hot vegetables in a salad. You may have noticed I like to be a little bit different in matters, so why not, I reckon. And then, as a final little bit of flavour, I've got a little slice of my wild garlic butter going on. There we go. What do we think? Is that going to work? Is that going to be too many flavours? I shall let you know. Hi. How are you? Oh, do you like a little tickle? My ice maker's back on. Whoop whoop. It's funny, every single batch of cold brew tastes different. This one tastes like chocolate. I'm not complaining, it's lovely. It's really nice. Those little cows out in the field, they have only just been let out, so they are new calves that have recently been weaned and they've just been let out onto grass for the first time, and it's the best time of year to be watching cattle in a field because they are learning how to run and how to play and how to chase, and it's just magical. And the field is looking really lush and green and gorgeous too, which definitely helps. So lunch was a success. I enjoyed that. It was good to get some vegetables, even though they were horribly out of date, but hey, mum's the word. The three big flavours, so the duck liver, the chorizo and the wild garlic butter was overkill. Didn't need three. Two of the three together would have worked well. So duck liver and chorizo, I personally think that's a winner. I quite enjoyed that, especially because the textures were so different as well. The chorizo was kind of crispy, but the duck liver was more buttery, very nice. And I think the duck liver and the wild garlic butter would have worked together well as well, but the three together was way too much, even for me. I think if I were to make that again, I would do everything the same, forget the wild garlic butter, and then at the end of the dish, I would just put a dab of butter into the pan until it had melted and then pour all of that over the salad. That's what I normally do. I'm not quite sure why I didn't do that today, but it's fine. But yeah, a salted butter would be 100 times better than that wild garlic butter in that instance. Right, it is 12:30. Johnny is about to walk through that door, I reckon, for lunchtime, and I'm going to call it a day here. I'm going to try and do these videos, do the recording part of these videos in the morning from now on, because then I can edit in the afternoon and then I can get some other work done in the evening. So I hope you've enjoyed it. Please whack a thumbs up if you did, and I'll catch up with you tomorrow. As always, stay safe, keep smiling, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.